My name is Lennon. I am from 7th. Today I am going to tell about maths riddles. I am an even number. If you divide me by 2, you get 6. Who am I? Anybody know the answer?
Sir, I know.
The answer is 12. Right answer. All, I am P. Sahana from 7th. Today I am going to talk about maths riddles. Some months have 31 days and some months have 30 days. How many months have 28 days? Answer February. No, the answer is wrong. All 12 months have at least 28 days.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ken. I study in 7th standard 6th section. I am talking about the maths riddles. I show that. Shall we tell now? Sorry. Answer is 0. Miss 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is answer. Miss 1, 2, 3. 3 is answer. 3 places. 3 plus 3, 3, 3, 3, 3 plus 3 is equal to 9. 0, 0, 0, 0 plus 0 is answer. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Ananda. My name is Anish. I am from 7th. Today I am going to speak about Independence Day. Freedom is our greatest treasure. Let us love our country, respecting our heroes, and proudly we are celebrating the Independence Day. Jai Hind. Thank you. வணக்கம், என் பேர் சாப்ரசனா கணேஷ். நான் 7ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். நான் பேச போகும் தலைப்பு தமிழ் விடுகதை. அதிக பற்களுடையவன் மனிதன் அல்ல. நான் யார்? விடை சீப்பு.
முதல் 2 வார்த்தை இனிக்கும், கடைசி 3 வார்த்தை பறக்கும். என்ன? விடை தேன் சிட்டு. உடம்பெல்லாம் வாய் ஊரெல்லாம் பாட்டு, அது என்ன? விடை இதுதான் விடை.
நடக்க தெரியாது, நான் ஓட தெரியும் ஆனால் நடக்க தெரியாது. நான் யார்?
விடை தண்ணீர்.
I am Janani from class 7th. Today I would like to say a few seconds about my wonderful teacher. A teacher is not only someone who teaches lessons, but also someone who guides us towards a bright future. My teacher inspires me to learn and achieve my goals. A teacher plays an important role in shaping a student's future. My teacher always motivates me to discover my hidden talent. My teacher makes a lesson interesting and meaningful. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ken. I am studying 7th standard 6th. I am talking about you advocate. I want to be a lawyer. I will take a justice and for honor. I will go to a law court. I will hard work to the study of law. I want to be a law. Thank you.
Good morning. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is S.S.Y. Kastri. I am from 7th C. Today I am talk about role play. Doctor. I am a doctor. I wear a white coat. I work in the hospital. I treat sick people. I am proud to be a doctor. Thank you.